Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Joanna. I'm filming a plan with me video and I'm going to use love hearts because I ordered a love subscription box. It was from the Lollipop box and the theme was love and love hearts and all that. And I ordered it and I ordered it after Valentine's Day. So I thought, oh no, am I going to have to wait for a few months until I use it? And I said, nah, forget it. I'm just going to use it on this spread. So I'm going to show you my thought process. I have all the things I want to use. So I have scrapbook paper, which I got from Poundland. That's like the Dollar Tree, I guess, in the US. And then I have glue dots, which I'm going to use for the die cuts because this subscription box had lots of die cuts and I never used them. So I thought I'm going to find a way to make sure I use everything. So I'm going to show you my planning process. I have some washi tape, which I'm thinking of using. I'm colorblind, so I don't know exactly what colors these are, but I don't know. I don't care. And yeah, we'll see. I have this stripy one here. We'll see what I end up using. I have my die cuts here. It also came with some stickers, which I'm going to use. And there's this other one here. And I've got sticker sheets from Bless Your Greece. If you're ever in Greece and you're watching this video, you can get things like this at Bless You. So I'm going to put the spread together and I'm going to tell you and show you what it looks like in the end. I'm not very good at filming planner videos. This is probably my first flat layout planner video, so bear with me. Apologies. And apologies if the colors don't match. It looks fine to me. As I said, I'm colorblind, so whatever. I'm just having fun. Okay, so let me just show you I've already used a glue dot down here for this love heart, and it's fine. So I'm going to start, and I just put the pieces of die cut where I thought I'd use them. So I'm just going to move everything, and I'm going to start with putting this this paper down here, because it fits perfectly for the Happy Planner boxes. So if you're a UK Happy Planner, you know those Poundland little sheets, creative sheets. So I'm going to stick everything here, and I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. So let's just pause. So I've placed all the glue dots on here and I've just spread them. If you don't know what a glue dot is, you know when you buy magazines and they have things stuck in them, usually like perfumes, this is the glue dot, the gooey thing that's underneath it. So I'm going to place this here. The good thing about this is that it doesn't leak and you can move it if it's not working well. Like here I've placed it a bit crooked, so let's just straighten it a bit. I have no idea what color this is, but who cares? So let's see, that looks kind of straight but not too straight. So yeah, I'll finish off the layout and then I'll be back. Okay, so scrapbook paper is on the paper. Scrapbook paper is on the paper, and the good thing was with this glue dot, I hadn't thought that I was going to use the whole thing, but then I ended up doing that, so I could take the love heart off and just re-stick it. So yeah, let's see. I think they're going to be sticking out a bit, but I don't mind. I'm going to be creative in this one. So let's see what I've done so far. I added some polka dot washi tape, and then from the Lollipop subscription box it had some other washi tape which I added. It's also got this washi tape. I don't know if I'm going to use that. And then I added some of the die cuts and I stuck them. They don't stick perfectly with the glue dots, but I'm all right with that because it doesn't matter. I'm not bothered about that. Some people might be. I ain't. I might add some polka dot washi tape down here, or maybe the washi tape that's given to me. We'll see. And then Monday and Tuesday I've been on strike because university staff are on strike in the UK, some of them. And then I added what I want to do, some of the cleaning I wanted to do on Monday. And I've done one thing, I've cleaned the bathroom. And now I'm just going to add some of the decor. Oops, my light turned off. I'm going to add some of the decor and I'll figure out what's going on with my light. All right. So I've kind of finished, I think. So what have I realized? With the glue dots, the die cuts stick out. So I would probably, if I did this again, I would probably use glue to stick them on. When the items are small, it's okay. But when they're a bit bigger, they stick out. I don't really mind, as I said earlier, so it's fine. But if you have an issue with that, like they don't fall. Look, so if I do this, nothing falls off. It stays there, but it just sticks out a bit. So let me just walk you through. So most of these things here are from the Lollipop box. As I said, it's a subscription box here in the UK. And I think Miss Brimbles drew and designed this, what was in most of the things in this box, I guess. Not sure. If you know, please let me know in the subscription box, in the comments section. So this paper was from Poundland. I used some, what are these called? Stickers from a shop in Greece called Bless You. That's not really going to help you, but these are the stickers. And then washi tape. I don't remember where that was from. This was the washi tape on the stickers. So in terms of the quality of the Lollipop box, I like the stickers. They're good quality, thick paper. So this is a sticker, that's a sticker, that's a sticker, that's a die cut stickers. Stickers are nice quality, good paper. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to go back in and maybe stick some of these things, like this love. I think might need a bit more glue. But I am going to be using the glue dot paper, glue dot, yeah. And sorry if the colors are all over the place. I don't have many things going on this week, so I guess this spread is what it is. So let me know what you think. Let me know how you use die cuts in your planner. Let me know how you use scrapbook paper. And yeah, I'm using my Mumby Happy Planner, and I will see you in my next video. If you have any constructive feedback, please let me know. This is my first flat layout, and I had issues with the lighting because it needs to be connected to my laptop, and my laptop turned off. So yeah. Anyway, first try. I'll see you in my next video. I film videos about beauty, lifestyle, vlog, plus size fashion, and planner things. So if you're interested in those things, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.